Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and create your Linktree page right here. And in case you don't know what Linktree is basically a platform that allows you to upload multiple links and share it all at once in one page. Alright, so without talking too much, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your browser and search for Linktree. I'm going to be dropping the link in my description box so that you can quickly access it. Right, so search for Linktree, click the first link that pops up, and you're going to be taken to their page. Right, so what you're going to do is to click on sign up for free. I'm assuming you don't have an account, so click on sign up for free. Once you click on that, you're going to bring up this new page where you can choose to continue with either Google or Apple, or you can just type in your email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with Google. Right, so I basically already have an account, but I'm going to create a brand new account to you guys. So I'm going to use my second email right here, and I'll click continue. All right, so they're going to ask you what you want your link to look like. Right, so you can basically type in your name or whatever you want to be attached to your actual link, and then click on continue. So I'm going to leave mine as master 007. Excuse me. It's going to load. I'm going to skip the free trial. I'm going to continue with the free plan. All right. I want to build my link in bio. They're asking you what goals do you plan to use Linktree for. So I'm going to choose the third one, which is I'm building my link for my bio. I'll click on continue. They'll ask you to choose a theme. Alright, so you're going to basically choose the theme you want. For the sake of this video, I think I'll choose this one. This one looks very clean. I'll start with that template. Which platforms are you on? I'm on Instagram, I'm on WhatsApp, I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube. I have a portfolio website. I'm on Spotify, I'm on Threads. Unfortunately, I'm going to unclick Threads because I don't read it. I'm on Facebook, I'm on X, I'm on Snapchat, I'm on Pinterest, I'm on Twitch, but I'm not active on Twitch. So I'll just choose these ones and click on continue. So they are basically telling me to add my links, right? So what you're going to do is to go and get all the links that you need. So just put in the links that you're interested in putting in, and then click on continue. It's going to take you here, finding your content. All right, so you can come here, click on this plus button, and you can go to your documents and basically select a picture that you want to use as your profile. I'm just going to use this weird image, and I'll use it as my profile picture. It's uploading. Alright, so I've uploaded it as my profile picture. I'll leave the name as it is. I'll leave the bio as it is, and I'll click on continue. So because I gave them my Instagram, my Facebook, and some other accounts, they were able to find out that I'm the owner of these other links. You see how crazy that is? Well, I'm going to ignore those things, and I'll click on build my link tree. I said it's looking so good. It's still loading, and it has been created. So I'll click on continue building this link tree. Alright, so like this for me is the main page when it comes to building your LinkedIn account, right? So when I created my account the first time, I actually didn't go through all those steps. For some reason, they didn't take me through those steps that we just passed through. They brought me directly here. And if you look at your bottom left, you can see they said your setup checklist is 4/6 complete, right? So when I created my original Linktree accounts, they just took me here directly and they told me 0/6, right? So I just started from scratch. Well, if you look at the right hand side, you can see a preview of the Linktree page that we've created. So they are basically telling us that we are 67% complete. All right, so you can see the links and everything that is set up. All right, so I'm just basically going to show you, give you an overview of how to set up your Linktree. All right, so if you go to the left hand side under my link tree, you're going to see links. All right, if you click on links, you're going to see all of this. So the links is basically, if you look at the preview right hand side, all these things here: Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, my portfolio, and X. Right, all those links here now are here. Right, so if I hide Instagram by clicking on this, if you look at your preview on the right hand side, you can see that Instagram has been removed. Okay, if I unhide it, you see that they'll add Instagram back. Okay, so that's basically what it is here. So any link you want to be listed here, maybe you have a course, you have a website, or whatever, you basically have to add it here. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is click on this add button, click on link, right, and then you can now paste the link in here and simply add it. As simple as that. Now under link is shop. I'm going to ignore shop. We'll go to design. So it's under this design that you basically determine how your LinkedIn page is going to look. Okay, if you click on theme, all right, they are going to show you all the different themes that are available. Okay, the ones that have this pro feature on top means that you have to pay for their pro account to access it, but the ones that don't have it are free to use. Right, so you can select anyone. All right, under theme we have our header. All right, so our header, you can edit your title, you can edit your profile image, you can edit the font color. Okay, right, then under wallpaper, you can basically choose what you want your background to look like. Currently is on fill. If I choose gradients, you can see what it looks like, the gradient looks like. If I choose blur, you can see what blur looks like. All right, so under wallpaper you can choose and edit your background. Okay, under fill as well, you can also change the background color of the fill to whatever you want. Okay, you can change the background color of the fill to whatever you want. All right, under wallpaper we have our text. You can choose the fonts, whatever fonts. There are free fonts and then there are paid fonts. You can change the fonts. Currently we're using red hat display, and you can change the color of the fonts, the color of the text. Let's make it red, which does not make sense considering our background color, but I'm just, for the sake of the tutorial, you can make it red. And the page text color is always different from the title color. So the title is your name here, so your name and the other text can have different colors. All right, so under text we have buttons. Buttons are these things here that are carrying your links. All right, so you can make them solid or we can make them outlines. Okay, you can see what it looks like as an outline. Doesn't really make sense for me. I'll go back to solid. Now once it's solid, we can make them squares like this, or we can make them to have rounded corners. We can make it more rounded, and we can even make it completely rounded like this. Okay, so we can also change the color of the buttons. They are currently white. We can make them red or whatever color you want, and we can change the color of the text on the buttons to white. All right, we can also change the color of the shadow as well. The shadow is this outline under the shape. All right, under buttons we have colors. Here is where we control all the colors on our page. So our background color is yellow, we can change it. Our buttons color is red, we can change it. Button shadow is white, we can change it. Button text is white, we can change it. Page text is red, and our title text is black. Right, so all the colors on our page can be changed on here. And then finally is the footer. The footer is basically this join mass step 007 on Linktree, so we can choose to put it on or put it off, but that is a paid feature. All right, so this is basically how to complete your setup. Now let's go to this 4/6 and click on finish setup. So we've added our name and bio, we've added our profile image, we've added our socials, and we've added other important links. So the last thing is to customize your design. So I clicked on customize your design and they are taking me here. Let's see where they lead us to. So they just basically took us back. It took us back to the page. Customize your design. I don't know why they're taking us back over and over and over to customize, because what we've been doing basically is customize all the while. But the point is, after you customize your design, which is basically changing all these things that I've explained, the last step is to share your link tree, right? So just to share your link tree or add it to any of your pages, right? Add it to any of your social media pages. So to show you the original one that I created, I'm going to go to my X. So this is my X account, and if you look here, you'll see my link tree. If I click on it, this is my Linktree page, my original Linktree page. So you're going to see my profile picture, my name, my bio. If you click here, you go to my WhatsApp. If you click here, you go to my YouTube, my X, my email, my Instagram. And then if you want to work with me, you can click here and chat me up on WhatsApp. If you want to find my YouTube channel, it's here, and then my design portfolio is here, right? So these are the links I have on my original Linktree page, and this is how I set it up, right? So I hope that with this tutorial you're able to set up yours, even though this tutorial is kind of crazy, but I'm hoping that it was enough to give you the necessary knowledge that you need. It's not hard at all. And if you learned something, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you like a tutorial on another platform or software that is giving you difficulty to understand how to set up, also let me know and I'll try my best to make a video about it. Alright, so till we meet again, peace. Thank you for watching.